Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTaker. In this we're going to compare the loudspeaker output comparison between the Realme GT Neo 2 versus Realme X1 Max device. So this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers, asked me to compare these both phones side by side. Let's see which phone has got a really good volume output from the top speaker and from the bottom speaker. Is there any kind of difference or not? So first let's explore the sound option what is present in both phones, because you should know what kind of profiles I'm trying to select between these both phones. So you can see that Dolby Atmos, which is option is available here. So Dolby Atmos got slightly kind of redefined in the Realme GT Neo 2 when compared with the Realme X1 Max device, which is a kind of old style Dolby Atmos you can see here. But there is nothing much difference, so don't worry about the options will be different, but there's only the implementation. I mean, visual experience is different, that's it. So all the smart and everything is completely inbuilt, so don't need to worry. As you can see, smart, movie, gaming and music, everything options is there. So there's only extra option which is the environment profile is available, that's it. So apart from that, there's nothing much major difference. So right now in this kind of testing, I'll try to use the movie mode. The main reason why I'm using movie mode, you might be wondering, because in the movie mode we can actually get the most of the volume out. Yes, that's possible. So before I used to test every time in the music mode, but few users they did mention that Cybro, can you please use only with the movie mode, because movie mode will give the really good better results. That's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video. And next thing is about the back panel vibration. So which phone has got really less back panel vibration? That's also a really important thing. So not all the users will be knowing that. So that's what I'm going to concentrate even the back panel vibrations in this video as well. So first let me need to start playing the audio one by one. Then we'll be able to identify what is the difference. So one quick note, so there's nothing much huge difference you're going to expect in Realme phones. I mean in terms of the loudspeaker. So this is the one thing, in the camera and in the loudspeaker and in the display, this Realme phones doesn't change huge impact will not be there from one model to other model. So but let's see in the practical test what's going to happen at this moment. For volume, you can see friends, the decibel went up to 90 decibels as well. Not bad. Let's try to change the positions of the Realme X1 Max in the same position I'm trying to keep. Increasing the volume. As you can see friends, clearly both phones they do have the exact kind of loudspeaker, nothing much huge difference. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to play the audio one by one. So try to focus exactly what is happening. So just listen properly. As you can see friends, there's nothing much huge difference. Let's check the bottom speaker. Bottom speaker went up to 108 decibels as well. (108) and 104 on the top side. When the bottom one also reached 108. As you can see friends, even 104. So there is not a huge difference, but one thing there is a difference, which is a back panel vibration slightly more in the Realme X1 Max when compared with the Realme GT Neo 2. So Realme GT Neo 2 doesn't have much kind of back panel vibration. So maybe because of this plastic body which is present in the Realme X1 Max, which makes the vibration slightly higher in this area. That's the reason after the updates, what the Realme has done, maybe slightly decrease in the volume. That's what few users did felt, the volume is decreased. So maybe to avoid the more vibrations on the back panel. That's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. If you want to download this live wallpapers, so no need to comment, try to look for the playlist, because everything will be done and organized in one single playlist. You can check the wallpaper playlist and that will give the clear idea what live wallpapers I'm trying to use. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, and let's stay for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.